Hey guys, I just received this TicWatch 5 Pro now. I know this is an old device, came out months ago, but I didn't have it, so I just purchased it. This is not the band that came with it. I just opened the device and I changed the band. This is the Berfine quick release retro leather band, 24 millimeter. It's $19 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And I opened it. I think this is such a beautiful band, and I wanted to show you guys. You see all the stickers still on the watch. I just opened this watch right now. I think this leather band is so nice. Now it comes in this little box, and it's just the band and a little tool. Let me see if I can open this. Of course. Okay. Yeah, that's all it comes in the box. That's it. But it's such a nice band. I love it. Now I just reviewed this band for the TicWatch in an earlier video. I like it too. But man, look at the difference in size for these watches. It's insane. And this is the 5 Pro. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I will be getting the Galaxy C6 Classic in stainless steel. It should come in the next 5 or 6 days. And I'll have some content in the channel about that. Let's remove the stickers here. Well, not gonna remove this one yet because I am going to put a screen protector on this watch before I start using it. Let me see how this fits. All right, this is how it looks. I think it's such a beautiful band. Anyway, guys, again, Berfine quick release retro leather watch, vintage oil tanned, for the TicWatch 5 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.